Respected Chief Minister of Gujarat, Srimati Anandiben Patel, Mr. Ajay Pandey, CEO GIFT, Mr. Irfan Razak, Chairman CREDAI, Mr. Shekhar Patel, Treasurer, CREDAI National, dignitary of the stage, my fellow CREDAI members from all over the India, respected guests, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you, and once again, I welcome you all to the CREDAI Conclave 2015. It is a great pleasure to get this opportunity to welcome you all, the important event on Clean India, Skill India, and Strong India with a special focus on Gujarat. I am also too much delighted to welcome Madam Chief Minister of Gujarat to this session. She is the first woman to become the Chief Minister of the state. With the iron will and soft heart, she is known to be the stickler for discipline, whose tremendous connect with the masses comes with a deep empathy towards the concern of the society. She has held a number of portfolios in the Gujarat government, such as revenue, education, road and building, urban development, urban housing, and now industry since last 17 years. Before joining politics, she has been a mathematics and science teacher and later a principal at Moiniba Kanya Vidyalaya, Ahmedabad. She is the minister who has initiated the education department's flagship program, Shala Praveshotsav, intended to increase enrollment in schools. This program gave a boost to enrollment in schools in rural area, particularly girl child. To realize dream of Mahatma Gandhi, the state government launched Mahatma Gandhi Swachh Mission on 26 February 2014 with a vision to make Gujarat a zero waste, green, clean and healthy Gujarat. With the Honorable CM continuous efforts of ensuring last mile delivery and reviewing the progress of Gatishil Gujarat target of 100 days, I'm glad to tell all of you that it achieved 139% success in meeting of its targets. With an intention of providing housing facilities to the urban poor at an affordable cost, our Honorable CM has put implementation of Mukhya Mantri Gru Yojana on fast track. About 2 lakh houses will set up by next year, including 50,000 houses in different cities on PPP basis for rehabilitating slum dwellers in well-planned homes. When we talk of development, and especially for urban and real estate development, one state cannot forget, and that is the state I belong to, Gujarat. In Gujarat, we have done a holistic development and a holistic approach. Development based on 3 pillars: agriculture, manufacturing, and services. In terms of urbanization, Gujarat has around 45% of the urban population, and yet Gujarat has achieved double-digit GDP since last decade. States, cities have won many awards, not only national but also internationally. With industry-friendly policies and infrastructure development, Gujarat continues to be the preferred destination for industry investment in India today. According to a recent report compiled by World Bank, Gujarat tops among the Indian state in the making of ease of doing business on the first rank. On a 98-point action plan identified by World Bank to assess regulatory reforms and various initiatives in areas of good governance, Gujarat has achieved a top score of 71%. I'm proud and glad to share that with implementation of over rupees 1,16,000 crore proposals, Gujarat contribution to investment in India is almost close to 37%. Not only has Gujarat top in implementing the investment proposal, but also stands first in receiving investment proposal in the year of 2015, this year. So far, in this year, state has received investment intention of rupees 51,108 crore. आज इस विकास यात्रा के कुछ पहलू को बताने के लिए हमारे बीच मौजूद हैं राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री श्रीमती आनंदीबेन पटेल, और मुझे गर्व है कि इनके व्यक्तित्व के बारे में मुझे बोलने का एक अवसर और गौरव प्राप्त हुआ है। गुजरात राज्य के ये पहले महिला मुख्यमंत्री तो है ही, और पूरे गुजरात में हम उनको बहन के नाम से बुलाते हैं, जिसको सिस्टर बोलते हैं अंग्रेजी में, जिनके नेतृत्व में गुजरात के कई नए मुकाम हासिल किए हैं और सही मायने पे एक वाइब्रेंट गुजरात को गतिशील गुजरात जिन्होंने बनाया है। मैडम, मैं आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।